In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Google Chrome back to English. Now let's say it's in a different language for some reason and you want to change it back. What you can do is head over to google.com, click on this button right here, and then click on this cogwheel right here, this cogwheel icon. Obviously, if it's in a different language, you're not going to understand what it says, but click on the cogwheel right here, open it up, and then you want to click on this. Now this one is the languages, and once you're in here, you should be able to see if you can see an English already installed. If you cannot see it, you can press on this blue button right here and simply search for English. Now it doesn't matter what language your Google Chrome is, if it's in Spanish, Chinese, whatever. If you type English in the English way, it's still gonna pop up in here. So just select the one you want, press add, and once it's in here, you can click on it and press the checkbox right here, and then it's gonna be your main language. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.